how critical it is to remove every small piece of debris from a pothole before patching is that even tiny loose particles can prevent the patch from bonding and shorten its lifespan. Proper prep starts with removing all loose gravel and broken asphalt by hand with a trowel or stiff brush, then using a stiff bristled broom to loosen remaining dust and fines. If available, use a wet vacuum or leaf blower to clear remaining particles from the hole, and if using a cold patch, ensure the surface is dry or allow the product to tolerate dampness per its instructions. Square or bevel the edges slightly with a chisel or cold saw to create a vertical face that the patch can butt against, which improves mechanical interlock. For deep holes, place material in layers no thicker than 2 inches, compacting each layer with a hand tamper or the back of a shovel to eliminate voids. Overfill the final layer slightly and compact until the patch is flush with surrounding pavement to avoid low spots that collect water. For best adhesion, apply a tack coat or asphalt emulsion when recommended, and avoid patching immediately before heavy rain or freezing temperatures to ensure proper curing. Common mistakes start with leaving fine dust and sand in the hole, which acts like ball bearings and reduces adhesion. Sweep, vacuum, and, if practical, dampen then dry the hole to remove stubborn fines. A second issue is undercompaction, which leaves air pockets that collapse under traffic. Compact in incremental layers and use a mechanical compactor for larger repairs. A third problem is patching in poor weather or on a saturated substrate, which prevents bonding and causes premature failure. Wait for favorable conditions or select a product formulated for cold and damp applications and follow its specific instructions. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who post their services and work history, so we can all compare options relevant to pothole repair and other exterior projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help contractors and homeowners find jobs and trusted local partners.